Welcome to random fact number 19. So bear with me. My hands are very cold. All right. So, number 1. The oldest man ever verified who lived was named Jiroemon, Jiroemon Kimura, Kimura, and he was born in 1897 and he passed away in 2013, and he lived in Japan. So he actually lived to be 116 years and 54 days old. Oh, thank you. It's a long time to see so many changes. All right, number 2. The largest wave ever recorded was in Lituya Bay. That's in Alaska. It reached 1,720 feet, which is 524.26 meters. And that was in 1958. And it was triggered by a massive, like, like landslide triggered that massive wave. All right. Number 3. Fun fact about coconuts. They are actually a fruit, not a nut, but sometimes they are called drupes. That's because a drupe is a fruit that has like an inner flesh surrounded by a hard shell. So that is a drupe. So could either be a fruit or a drupe, but never a nut. Number 4, 90% of the world's population live in the Northern Hemisphere. And last, the largest bowling alley in the world is in Japan. It has 116 lanes. How do you want to clean that? Ugh, it's a lot of wax.